Samsung is gearing up for a jaw-dropping Galaxy Unpacked event on July 9th, 2025. And while the spotlight will shine on the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7, a massive leak has just flipped the table, literally. Just days before the big reveal, official renders have surfaced, exposing the full lineup of Samsung's own accessories for the Galaxy Z Flip 7. And trust us, they're not just ordinary cases. They're smarter, sleeker, and ready to unlock the next level of flip functionality. According to the bombshell leak from Android Headlines, Samsung is coming in hot with 4 stylish case options and a new anti-reflective screen protector, tailor-made for the Flip 7. At first glance, they might look similar to what we saw with the Flip 6, but under the surface, there's a magnetic twist, literally. The standout newcomer is the clear magnet case, featuring a full ring of magnets instead of the usual grip. This isn't just for aesthetics. It transforms the Flip 7 into a Qi 2 compatible magnet beast, ready for next-gen wireless charging and magnetic accessories, something Apple users have raved about for years. The clear grip case, another returning favorite, brings back that transparent minimalism with a bold ring grip for secure handling, ideal for flexing that foldable style. Then there's the silicone case, which mimics the shape of the clear case, but offers a smoother matte feel in stunning color options like coral red, mint, blue, and black, designed to match every Flip 7 variant. And yes, Samsung is keeping the fan favorite Kind Suit case alive, launching it in taupe, camel, and black. Although unlike the Fold 7's new carbon shield case, the Flip 7 isn't getting a rugged upgrade. Yet. But what really sets this leak apart is the anti-reflective screen protector. This isn't some flimsy film. It's a precision-engineered, glare-killing shield for the Flip 7's larger cover display. It includes a pill-shaped camera cutout and ships with an entire toolkit: alignment frame, microfiber cloth, dust removal stickers, and a squeegee for flawless installation. This level of attention to detail shows Samsung isn't just trying to protect your device, they're redefining how it integrates with your life. Even though many of these accessories echo last year's designs, they've been subtly optimized for the Flip 7's updated form. What was once a novelty is now a refined ecosystem. These aren't just cases, they're style statements, functionality boosters, and hardware enablers wrapped in Samsung's foldable DNA. And now that the cat's out of the bag, the question isn't what the Flip 7 will come with. It's what other surprises Samsung might be holding back for Unpacked. Get ready. The Flip revolution is about to hit harder than ever. Tipster Jukanlas Reeve shared hands-on photos of the device, showcasing a much cleaner rear camera layout that ditches the bulky camera rings seen on the Fold 6. Instead, Samsung has gone back to the sleeker camera design from the Fold 5 and Galaxy S24 Ultra, which gives the Fold 7 a more premium and polished feel. The phone shown in the leak is in the new blue signature colorway, and it looks stunning. The matte film over the screen hides the crease well, and the device looks even more refined from both the front and back. Alongside these hands-on leaks, Samsung itself has been building excitement with a colorful teaser on X, offering glimpses of the Fold 7, Flip 7, and a brand new tri-fold phone. The teaser uses vibrant, energetic visuals, including the words "run," a skateboard riding Z, and symbols like a shoe and a camera, hints that point to improved performance, durability, and enhanced camera features. Interestingly, the teaser suggests that blue will be the signature color of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, while coral red may represent the Galaxy Z Flip 7. It also introduces something called Selfie Studio, which could either be a new One UI 8.0 feature or a creative setup at Samsung's Galaxy Experience spaces. The teaser ends with a bold "Coming soon July 9th, 2025, confirming that Samsung will unveil not just the Fold 7 and Flip 7, but also a budget Flip FE, the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and the 2025 Watch Ultra. Pre-reservations are already live in key markets like the US, where customers can claim a $50 Samsung credit and enter a sweepstakes to win $5,000. With the Fold 7's hardware now almost fully revealed and Samsung's own teaser adding more fuel to the hype, the upcoming Unpacked event is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most exciting launches yet. And now a new leak says the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will carry the same IP48 rating. Let that sink in. Even after all the anticipation, even with competition heating up, Samsung is reportedly not upgrading the foldable's resistance to water and dust this year. Let's quickly break down what that means. IP48 is limited protection. The 4 means the device is somewhat resistant to dust, but not fully dust-tight. The 8 means it can handle immersion in water beyond 1 meter, but not necessarily for long durations or in tough conditions. Compare that to IP68, which offers complete dust protection and strong water resistance, typically up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. That's the standard for most flagship slab phones. It's also what fans have been asking for in a premium foldable that costs over $1,800. With foldables becoming more mainstream, expectations are rising. People don't want compromises anymore, not at these price points. Thanks to newly leaked renders that show off just how impressively slim these next-gen foldables are. The latest leaks come from renowned tipster Evan Blass, who previously revealed several images of both devices last week. Among the two, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 seems to boast the most dramatic design evolution. It's reportedly just 4.5 millimeters thick when unfolded, a significant reduction from the Fold 6's 5.6 millimeters. When folded, the thickness drops to just under 9 millimeters, making it feel much sleeker in hand. A recent hands-on video comparing a Fold 7 dummy unit to the current Fold 6, measuring 12.1 millimeter folded, shows just how far Samsung has come. Leak after leak has spilled the details. Same 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabyte storage tiers, but the colorways? Fresh. Flip 7 is coming in black, blue, and a bold coral red. Fold 7? Black, silver, and a cool blue shadow finish that just sounds premium. And the rumored Flip Fan Edition? Clean black and white with more affordable storage tiers at 128 and 256 gigs. Samsung might even bring back bespoke customization and online-only exclusive colors, but that's still under wraps. Either way, personal style is about to meet powerful tech. Now let's talk about that Fold 7 teaser. Samsung officially released. It says a lot without saying much. A shiny new frame, possibly titanium, taller design, thinner corners, glossier finish, and a new silhouette that clearly separates it from last year's Fold 6. This one doesn't just fold, it stands out. They even called it an ultra experience, and that's no small choice of words. That branding has always been reserved for the best of the best. Leaks confirm Samsung's packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip. Yep, the top-tier SM8750, turning the Fold 7 into a pocket powerhouse ready for next-gen AI, console-grade gaming, and multitasking so smooth you might just forget what lag feels like. It's been certified. It's official. The Fold 7 isn't just fast, it's ferocious. But it doesn't stop there. A brand new AI-driven multi-mobile search is built into the camera app. This isn't just taking pictures. This is your foldable understanding your world, reacting to it. Point it at something, and it knows. It gets it. It responds. Like the phone has instincts. Think about that. A foldable with a brain. And visually, the Fold 7 is about to ruin every other screen for you.